So students, today before starting our exercise 5.2, we have to know that arithmetic and geometric, what are the arithmetic and geometric series. So basically these are arithmetic means के arithmetic and geometric means geometric. इन दोनों series को plus करके multiply करके जो series obtain होती है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं arithmetic and geometric series. Okay, we will do examples in this chapter. But first we have to derive the formula for to solve this arithmetic and geometrical series. So here is your arithmetic progression. As you can see that in the last मैंने last say second last term जब n-2 लिखे, as you know that the last one nth term of arithmetic series is a1, or we can say that a plus n-1 into d. So its previous term must be less than, as you know. देखिए यहाँ पे ये क्या है d, तो आपके पास जो है वो this is your n1 terms, this is your n2 terms, and this is your n3 terms. So this is n3 terms, but here the difference is just 2. Here is second terms, but the difference is just 1. So that's why we write here n-1. So its previous term is n-2. In the same way, here is also n-1 last terms. The general term of geometric series, we write it here as n-1. So its second last term must be n-2. Okay, let's just multiply first elements with its first element. Okay, let's say a, we say that this is Sn. That means we are doing the summations. Sn a1 plus, this is your second term, a plus a plus d. This is d, a plus d, and this a1 r. Okay, we write here is a is capital just to differentiate that it's a geometric series, and this a is for arithmetic series. It doesn't matter, you can write small a here as well. Okay, now multiply this third term a plus 2d with the third term of geometric series. Okay, now we will continue, and here I'm going to write the last term. So this will become this one. Okay, now I'm going to multiply this Sn with r. Let's just multiply Sn with r. So it will become a1 r square plus a1 2d a r3 and so on. In the same way, last one is an-1. Okay, you have to write here the second last term. So this last term will become right here d a1 r. Now here is n-1. I'm going to write it here like this. This is n-1, and r is also multiplied with this r की power n-1. So it will become r power n. How? This carry 1. So this plus 1 cancel with this minus 1. As you know that this rn, what does this rn-1 means? That means this is rn and other r containing power -1. Actually this r is under this r. जब डिवाइड में कोई चीज़ होती है तो तब ऊपर जाके यहाँ माइनस में लिखी जाती है, ठीक है? तो दैट्स वाई ये n-1 होता है. बट ये दिस -1 सब्ट्रैक्ट, यानी कि ये नीचे वाला इस ऊपर वाले r के साथ कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो वी आर जस्ट लेफ्ट विद rn. So we write here rn. Now what about the previous terms of this? So it will become like, I'm going to write here this is so on, and a plus n minus 2 d a1. This will become r, as it's n-2, so it will become n-1. r n-2 and plus 1. This will become r n-1. So next we will subtract Sn minus r Sn. इन दोनों की आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. So what is the difference of this subtraction? इसमें एक मेन डिफरेंस आएगा, वो क्या होगा? As you can see here is r0, but in this case we don't have r, we don't have the value which has r की पावर 0. यहाँ पे कोई ऐसा नहीं है, टर्म नहीं है जिसकी वजह जहाँ पे r की वैल्यू 0 होगी. It starts from just r की वैल्यू 1. So we just write this term as it is, or we will subtract this फर्स्ट टर्म्स ओके एज एन यहाँ पे पहले लिखा है तो ये टर्म पहले लिखते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट राइट हियर. Okay, what is the answer of this? This is a1 a into a1, this one. Okay, as it's equal to r0, so it will become 1. Okay, next one is a plus d, and here is I'm going to subtract arithmetic from arithmetic and taking geometric terms as common. Okay, a1r और a1r को मैंने common ले लिया. a1r, I'm taking a1r as common, and now I'm going to subtract. Why I'm putting some minus sign here? Because of this minus sign, I'm going to subtract this Sn from this R Sn. So a plus d minus a. Okay, I will write the next term so you can get the clear. Okay, a plus 2d this term, and so it will subtract from here. Minus a minus d. Okay, I've changed the signs also directly. Okay, now this cancel from this, and here we left with the d. In the same way, this will continue, and what will be the nth term? We will write the nth term also and the previous terms. Okay, now you can see that this term doesn't combine with any terms, or doesn't subtract from any of the terms of this series. So we are in the last, we are left with this. यहाँ पे एक टर्म बचेगी, और मैं आपको बताती हूँ वो कौन सी टर्म बचेगी. As you can see, देखें, this second term combined with its first. This third is combined with its second. So in the same way, the last one is combined with the second last. Did you get that? The last one is combined with the second last, and we are left here with last terms just. Okay, let's just combine with the second last term combined with the second last terms. Okay, how will I do this? Let me do it in separate so that you can get your concepts clear. Okay, in the same way, like we are taking a1 rn minus 1, a1 rn minus 1 as common, so we have to just solve this arithmetic nth terms, both these arithmetic nth terms. Okay, let's just solve it. So I write here it's separate terms. So and we are taking a1 rn minus 1 as common, as in the previous term you can see that it's also this subtract. Okay, now solve it as a1. Let's just multiply d inside. This will become dn or minus d. In the same way, do this. This will become dn minus 2d. Okay, this is, I write these terms here and subtract these terms. This is the second last term of rsn. Okay, so I just write here and just going to solve it very simple method. Okay, let's just convert the signs. This a cancel with this a, this dn cancel with this dn, and here minus d and plus 2d, we're left with just d. So just d is left here. So what is the second last term of this whole series? D a1 rn minus 1. Okay, are you getting the points? So here, okay, what about these last terms? What about these last terms? As you can see, we are going to subtract, we are going to put the minus sign here before these terms, so it also goes minus sign for these terms. So we write this term by putting minus side outside of its term. So here's the final answer. No, we have to solve it more. Okay, this will become a into a1. Here is left with just dA1r. Here is also just dA1r, r square, and so on. dA1r n minus 1 and minus a plus n minus 1 into dA1r n. So as you can see, it will this is your geometric series. So if I'm taking a common, if I'm taking d as a common, so what, and Sn from here, so we are left with here r minus r, a into a1 plus, okay, d and a1 also take, d and a1 take also as common. So this will be your geometric series. Okay, a minus sign here, a n minus 1 d a1 n a1 r power n. So this is your geometric series. So do you remember the formula for the summation of the geometric series of finite? So do you remember this formula? Sn is equal to r into rn 1 minus rn divided by 1 minus r. एक ये formula था, ठीक है, जहाँ पे हम, because why putting r here, because as it's here is a value is r, so we are putting r here. A value is r. So एक ये फार्मूला था और एक ये फार्मूला था. ये वाला फार्मूला तब यूज करते थे जब हमारे पास r की वैल्यू लेस आती थी, और जब हमारे पास r की वैल्यू ग्रेटर आती थी तो हम कौन सा फार्मूला यूज करते थे? ये rn minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So we are going to use this formula here. Okay, what will be the next step here? Sn 1 minus r a into a1. This is the first term of arithmetic, and this is first term of geometric, plus this is common difference, and it's a common difference multiply with its first term of geometric series. Okay, and r into rn minus 1 divided by r minus 1 minus, okay, so nth term of AP, and nth term of AP. एंड गौर से देखिएगा यहाँ पे आपके पास ज्योमेट्रिक टर्म्स क्या होती हैं? ज्योमेट्रिक nth टर्म ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक क्या होती है? an a1 और n minus 1. सो अगर मैं लिखूं कि मुझे n plus 1 टर्म चाहिए, तो मैं क्या करूंगी? n की जगह यहाँ पे इसको कैसे लिखूंगी? Look, like I'm going to say that this is an, which is a1 or n minus 1, right? This is the geometric term for when you have the an. That means this is the nth term of geometric. But we want to do that the n plus 1 terms, so it will become n plus 1. I'm putting here n plus 1 instead of n, and this minus sign, minus 1 as it is, so it will become this one's cancel, so we are left with a1 or n. Did you notice that this an plus 1 terms is a1 rn? So I'm going to write here, as you can see, this a1 rn terms, so n plus 1 term of gp. Okay, so this is your basic formula which is used to calculate the sum of arithmetico and geometric series. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस जो है वो क्वेश्चंस थॉरली इसी पैटर्न से सॉल्व हो रहे हैं, बट आई एम गोइंग टू रिकमेंड यू टू जस्ट लर्न दिस फार्मूला एंड राइट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फार्मूला. सो मैं आपको क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगी कि इस मेथड से जो है वो कैसे सॉल्व किए जाते हैं. बहुत इजीली सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट Sn 1 minus r a into a, first term of arithmetic, first term of geometric, plus difference of arithmetic multiplied with this first term of geometric, and here is Sn and minus nth term of AP. बिकॉज इस तरीके से जो है बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा, आपकी मिस्टेक्स भी होंगी, तो मुझे ये ज़्यादा बेहतर लगा इस फॉर्मूले से सॉल्व करना. और nth टर्म ऑफ AP, ठीक है, जस्ट यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड द टर्म ऑफ AP and put minus sign here, and nth plus term of GP. So this is your formula. So okay, let's start our 5.2 exercise. So first question of 5.2 is this one is 1, 2. So first we will find here. Okay, this is your question. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. This is your arithmetic progression. Okay, I'm going to write separately here geometric progression. This is AP and this is GP. Okay, let's just find AN. Okay, arithmetic small an and geometric is capital AN. Let's just find the value of these. AN minus 1 into D. What is A1 is 1 and what is D is also 1. So 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. So AN is just n. This minus 1 cancel with this one. Okay. Now move to this geometric series. So what is capital A1? It's 2. And what is R? Common ratio. this terms divided by this terms. Okay, we are left here with 2. So both are 2. 2 r power 2 minus 1. So it will become 2n. इसकी power 1 है, तो this one cancel with this minus 1. So we are left with here 2n. Now write the formula. Okay, I'm going to write here Sn 1 minus r small a capital A and d capital A 1 r into r, sorry, 1 minus rn by 1 minus r minus sign nth of ap multiply n plus 1 of gp. Okay, we here we required nth plus 1 of gp, so हम यहाँ पे पहले से ही फाइंड कर लेते हैं. Okay, an plus 1 is equal to 2n plus 1. Okay, I'm just going to find here. So write Sn here 1 minus, what is r? It's basically 2. A is 1, capital A is 2, plus what is d is 1, capital A is 2, and what about r? 2 into 1 minus 2 power n by 1 minus 2 minus nth, what is the nth term is n, and nth plus term 2n plus 1. इसमें जब हम वैल्यूज़ पुट करते हैं तो ठीक है, तो हमारे पास इसको जब हम फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ये आप देख लें ये कैसी वैल्यूज़ आ रही हैं. सो हमने यहाँ पे ये किया है कि इस वाली और इस लास्ट वाली टर्म्स को यहाँ कंबाइन करके लिख दिया और इस वाली टर्म को सेपरेटली यहाँ पे लिख. अब नीचे यहाँ 1 माइनस 2 था तो उसकी वजह से 1 माइनस r था तो ये माइनस 1 क्रिएट हो रहा था. ठीक है, तो ये हमने यहाँ ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पे लिख दिया. ठीक है, उसके बाद दिस टू मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस टू 4 बच जाएगा. ये वाली टर्म आप ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. ओके, उसके बाद अब आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करते हैं, 2n प्लस 1 है तो ये 2n इंटू 2 हो सकता है. दिस विल बिकम 2 इंटू 2. तो अंदर इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इस तरफ भी और इस तरफ भी विद साइन के साथ. ओके, उसके बाद फिर हमने क्या किया है, इनसाइड टर्म्स में से 2 को कॉमन लिया है जस्ट, तो पीछे हमारे पास ये वाली टर्म्स बच जाएंगी. ओके, जस्ट 2 को कॉमन लेने के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या किया है, ये देखें -2, दिस -2 और ये वाली -1 प्लस 1, दिस विल बिकम -1 और ये वाली टर्म रह जाती है और ये वाली टर्म, ये n प्लस 1 बन गई है यहाँ पे n इंटू 2n 2 की पावर n. सो यहाँ पे ये बच जाती है. ठीक है, उसके बाद अब आप देखें कि यहाँ पे जो है ना ये क्या आ जाता है, ये चूंकि यहाँ पे -sn भी चल रहा है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक आने के बाद हमने 2 को अगेन अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तीनों वैल्यूज़ के साथ. जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास कुछ इस तरह का आ जाए. ये देखें n प्लस 1 हम सेपरेट लिख रहे हैं ताकि हमें नेक्स्ट नीचे सिंप्लीफाई करने में आसानी हो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से फिर हम क्या करेंगे, इस माइनस साइन को हम दूसरी तरफ ले जाते हैं. ठीक है, माइनस साइन को हम दूसरी तरफ लेके जाएंगे. इन सब के साइन हमने चेंज कर दिए हैं. ठीक, ओके, इन सब के साइन चेंज कर दिए हैं. तो अब हमने क्या करना है, हमने यहाँ से 2n प्लस 1 को कॉमन लिया है. पीछे आपके पास क्या बच जाता है, इधर जस्ट यहाँ पे क्या बच जाता है n और इस तरफ क्या बच जाएगा 2, जस्ट 2 बच जाएगा. ये वाली 2 पावर्स निकल जाएंगी. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे ये वाला 2 बच जाएगा. तो ये आपका यहाँ पे Sn की वैल्यू क्या है, ये वाला आंसर आ जाता है. ठीक है.